Playing music is all about exploring possibilities. Roadie 3 is all about making that experience effortless and endless. Roadie 3 helps you find your sound fast. High-speed tuning, next-gen vibration detection, and enhanced accuracy keep your tunings dead on. Be free to explore alternate tunings easily using Roadie 3's intuitive navigation and ample storage space for over 100 presets. Tune almost anything with geared pegs using Roadie 3's compact new design that fits comfortably in your hand, pocket, or kit bag. See your options clearly and make quick selections easy with Roadie 3's full-color, high-resolution screen. This is big stuff in a small package. Restring and tune in one step, then feel the beat using Roadie 3's vibrating metronome mode. Your musical world is full of possibilities. Bring your Roadie and play on.
This is a faster desktop FDM 3D printer. Users can select up to 2 or 3 times the average printing speed. And it can save up to 30% of printing time on average. Aeolus Heat Dissipation System, AHDS, is a highly efficient heat dissipation system with its own uniquely developed 4-fan structure design, which can effectively cool the printing nozzle from all angles, increasing efficiency of heat dissipation by 42% to ensure its printing quality and speed. S-Move System, SMS, is a high-speed move system of Lotmax motors, which can ensure fast printing speed and balance in movement. Lotmax SC10 Shark is not only a faster 3D printer, but also a multi-purpose 3D printer. Laser engraving and bicolor printing add-ons can add laser engraving easily. No need for complicated recoding and testing. It is plug and engrave. And it can add bicolor printing too. It makes 3D printing much easier and more interesting. Lotmax SC10 Shark is a very easy-to-use 3D printer. It is the best choice for both beginners and professionals. 5 minutes to assemble. Supports intelligent auto leveling for easier leveling. And 8 UI languages. Its ultra-silent drive TMC2208 can decrease the printing noise dramatically. And its night mode can decrease all the key sounds and mute the filament alarm. The filament sensor can pause and resume from a stopped print from power loss, or avoid wasting molds and save more printing time. Its high quality is in its every detail. Body made from anodic oxide technology. 2 color options, space gray and deep purple. Super large printing size. High quality top power supply. Heavy current design and wide voltage design. A faster, easy to use, high quality, and multifunctional 3D printer. Lotmax SC10 Shark.
To be on top of your game means keeping your cool. And sweaty palms are definitely not cool. Introducing Zephyr, a high-performance gaming mouse with built-in fan and incredible design. The built-in adjustable fan blows a constant stream of fresh air through the open structure design. Get ready for epic battles, high-speed adrenaline adventures, and precision moves, all without breaking a sweat. With adjustable DPI, Omron switches, and incredible RGB LEDs. Together with Zephyr, you become unbeatable.
We are all connected. Never has that been more apparent than now. Even when we're separate, we're together in our efforts. Because of the current pandemic, we now have a greater responsibility to protect each other. The current pandemic has affected more than 3 million people in the world. Infectious diseases have shaped human history and remain with us today, continuing to burden populations worldwide and threaten the global economy. Older adults and vulnerable populations are especially at risk. And yet, we have no clear-cut solution at the moment. In a time of complexity and confusion, sanitation should be simple. Sanitation 101 involves clean hands. A sanitation spritzer, Pumpix, has the appearance of a sleek wristband. Aside from its comfortable lightweight wearability, this product is affordable and simple to use on your hands, as well as commonly touched surfaces, both in public and at home. After you fill up the gadget's inner chamber, Pumpix is good for 100 pumps. Pumpix offers a straightforward design and peace of mind. You no longer need to buy small bottles of sanitizer. You can use Pumpix as many times as you wish and refill it when you run out of sanitizing liquid. Less plastic means less harm to the environment. After touching the elevator button, a grimy door handle at the supermarket, or your phone's touchscreen, clean those nasty germs with Pumpix. The Pumpix backward sliding button activates the inner chamber with one pump, releasing just the right amount of sanitizing mist to rub on both hands from front to back and between fingers. Pumpix is your sanitizer at hand and your companion in the battle against illness. We have found manufacturers in the US that will produce Pumpix so that we can deliver it to you fast. Remember, this won't end for anyone until it ends for everyone. And even when it ends, Pumpix will be on standby to defend you when needed in the face of colds, flu, stomach bugs, and beyond.
Bye, Jeff.
Bye.
Very quick.
What is going on here?
Nothing.
Really, nothing.
Yeah.
What are you looking at? Really?
No.
Nothing's going on.
No, that's it.
Is
No.
that right?